आनी आमी सगळीं हांगा मेळोन मिसळून आमी काम करता. बरो आमकां खूब आसा हांगा. खूब खूश आसा आमी आनी हांव म्हाज्या सारकेल्याक तर ह्या वयाचेर हें काम मेळोन हांव खूब हांगा खूश आसा.
म्हाज्यो काजूची झाडां आसा, पणसाची झाडां आसा. तेजे काजू काडटा, पणसूय बीन MPCन लागीं आसा आमकां MPC. MPCन दिता हांव व्हरोन. आनी हांवूय केन्ना केन्ना थंयसर कामाक वयता.
Do you know Goa has over 7,000 small-scale industrial units as well as 150 large and medium-scale industries employing over 55,000 people? Nestled along the sun-kissed shores of Konkan coast, Goa emerges not just as a haven for tourists but also as a beacon of industrial innovation. The state has also developed 20 industrial estates, some of them established at Varna, Kundem, Korlim, Tivim, Honda, Madkai, Sankol, among others, attracting leading companies to set up their shops. In these industrial enclaves, amidst the rhythm of waves and the hum of innovation, Goa paints a portrait of resilience, enterprise, and boundless potential. Nestled along the central west coast of India, Goa is renowned for its breathtaking beauty and rich biodiversity. Recognizing the significance of its diverse ecosystem, the Go One project was conceived as a pioneering initiative under GSL's CSR endeavor. By combining Go, which represents Goa, and One, meaning forest, the project aims to leverage non-timber forest produce for both conservation and livelihood enhancement. Through this innovative approach, the project empowers economically disadvantaged groups, including tribal women, small landowners, and those with limited educational qualifications, by providing them with sustainable sources of income. By fostering a symbiotic relationship between conservation and livelihoods, the Go One project not only uplifts local communities but also contributes to the preservation of Goa's precious natural heritage. The conservation of biodiversity is regarded as a primary motto, which is clearly reflected in the aim of the project itself.
यहाँ का एक ही मोटो था कि बायोडाइवर्सिटी लाइवलीहुड में कैसे कनेक्ट करते हैं और इसका फ़ायदा लोकल लेवल पे जो महिलाएं यहाँ पे काम करती हैं या फार्मर्स जो है जो रेगुलरली जिनको मार्केट नहीं मिलता है उनके बायोरिसोर्स के लिए, तो वो देने का एक एम था.
Another gem of an initiative is the Blue Revolution, started by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It aims to transform India's fisheries sector through sustainable practices, advanced technologies, and inclusive development. It targets increased production, food security, employment generation, and export earnings, empowering fishers and aquaculture farmers to achieve economic prosperity. The Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana is a central government initiative to address infrastructural gaps in the fisheries sector and establish a comprehensive framework.
फिशरीज सेक्टर को मजबूत करने के लिए सरकार 3 स्तरों पर काम कर रही है. पहला, गांवों में मछली पालन को बढ़ावा, मछुआरे भाई बहनों को आर्थिक मदद. दूसरा, ब्लू रिवॉल्यूशन स्कीम के तहत नावों का आधुनिकीकरण. और तीसरा, मछली के व्यापार और कारोबार से जुड़े आधुनिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का निर्माण.
Under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, the central government envisions a transformative trajectory for Goa's industries rooted in innovation, sustainability, and inclusive growth. Konkan Maritime Cluster, once ready, promises collaborative excellence in maritime endeavor. The Mopa Cargo Terminal is said to be a game changer for Goa's logistics sector, positioning the state as a hub for efficient and seamless cargo operations. Prime Minister Modi ji's holistic approach for the state reflects a commitment to harnessing Goa's potential while safeguarding its natural and cultural treasures for generations to come.
कमल का बटन दबाएं, भाजपा को जिताएं।